Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting inside Excel, so open File and head straight to Account or Options, whichever your version shows. Change Office theme from dark to light or colorful. This toggles the UI and ribbon back to standard colors. Once done, save any work and restart Excel so theme assets reload. This also forces workbook surfaces to refresh. If the workbook itself used dark cell styles, switch those styles back to normal. Make sure to confirm the change visually before continuing work. If Excel still looks dark, Control can live in Windows or Office settings, so open Windows Settings, go to Personalization, then Colors, and set App Mode to Light. Alternatively, use File Options General inside any Office app to set Office theme without changing system-wide color. Once done, restart Excel and other Office apps to sync. Note that some older Excel builds inherit the Windows theme, so updating Office can prevent unexpected reversion. Keep versions aligned across devices for consistency. Finish by updating Office. File, Account, Update options. Install any pending patches because fixes often address theme bugs. Once updated, inspect view and accessibility settings for dark mode exceptions or high contrast overrides. Turn those off if active. If Excel still shows dark elements, export your settings, reset Excel to default, or reinstall Office as a last resort. This clears persistent theme cache. Troubleshooting tip: boot into another user account. If Excel is normal there, the issue is a profile setting you can reset without reinstalling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.